A conducting wire is moving towards right in a magnetic field B. The direction of induced current in the wire as shown in the figure. The direction of magnetic field will be. Now we have a conductor like this as shown in the diagram, and this is moving with velocity v. So if this conductor is moving with velocity v, there has to be certain EMF. EMF will be given as BVL sin theta, right? So BVL sin theta will be the EMF. So now you can see clearly, if if you see the option number 1, that magnetic field, or from this particular option I can figure out I is equal to E upon R. If R is the resistance of the conductor, then it will be BVL sin theta divided by R. So now clearly, if you can see the option number 1, into the plane of the paper, in the plane of the paper pointing towards right, that means option number 1 says this is the direction. Then I can clearly see B and V has angle theta is equal to 0. That means EMF has to be 0, and EMF will be 0. EMF has to be 0 because of this equation BVL into 0 divided by L, which will give you 0. That means current has to be 0, but current is given in the option, in the question. That means this cannot be the answer. So now if you see the option number B, in the plane of the paper pointing towards left, again there will be a certain same situation, that B and V will have the angle 180 degree. That says that again I will be is equal to 0, because sin 180 will also be 0 again. That means both 1 and 2 cannot be the right choices. Coming to the third choice, pointing toward the plane of the paper and downwards. Okay, so and downwards, that means this will be the angle. So angle will be 90 degree. Yes, this can be one choice. Okay, this can be one choice, that I will be BVL by R. Perfect. And another option is there, perpendicular to the plane of the paper and upwards. Okay, again upwards and perpendicular to the plane of the paper. So yes, again theta will be 90 degree. That means certain value will be there. So now we need to apply the Fleming's rule. Okay, according to the Fleming's rule, if you apply Fleming right hand rule, then clearly you can find that direction of, because of the direction of the current is given like this, V is like this, then obviously it has to be the into the plane. Okay, so which option has to be the correct? So two options we eliminated with the help of angles, and two options, so two option can be the right choice. So now how do I eliminate another one, which is fourth one? So because the direction of the current in this direction, this is the V. So if you apply the right hand thumb rule, then you can clearly get the value of magnetic field. Okay, so option number 3 has to be the right choice.